Hey everybody, welcome back to Coffee, Sometimes Tea with Marcello and Jen. Appreciate all the support, you guys. Thank you very much. I just want to start off with that. You guys are awesome. We love you. Keep supporting our channel. Smash that like button down at the bottom, and also remember to join our free community in school, where we're going to go in depth of some more stuff and live classes and all that jazz. So today, we went ahead and took a little bit of a break and got out for the day. We went ahead and went to um, Starbucks. Yes, I said it. We went to Starbucks. Usually I don't, but today we had to get out for a little bit. So I said, let's just go get some Starbucks. What do I get at Starbucks? I sometimes when I go there, I get my what I call a fufu, my fufu drink, my fufu coffee drink. Kind of spoil myself. I like to get a white chocolate mocha, no fat, no foam, no whip is what I usually like to get. And Jen usually does what's called a London fog. If you guys haven't tried a London fog, when next time you go to Starbucks, ask for a London fog. Okay, um, it's wicked good, guys, wicked good. Okay, so without further ado, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and dive in deep here. Jen went ahead and created this amazing slide deck for me regarding top AI trends in 2024. And I'm going to go ahead and go over that with you guys here. So let me go ahead and go to the next page. Let me pause that so you guys don't see all the transition craziness. I'll be right back. All right, guys, welcome back. Welcome back. Top AI trends in 2024. All right, so customized enterprise, okay, with AI models. So AI models. So businesses are shifting towards an AI model tailored to specific needs rather than using a one size fit all situation. Okay, the trend focuses on creating AI systems that cater to a niche market and user needs. Like healthcare, finance, and the legal world. As they say in the Matrix, guys, there's a difference between knowing the path and walking the path. If you haven't seen the Matrix, go watch it. Okay, so um, just jump right in. Alrighty. So AI and machine learning talent demand. Okay. So growing needs for skilled professionals. This is what AI is doing for the future for everybody. Okay. The growing need for skilled professionals in AI and machine learning is evident. Okay. With a particular emphasis on roles that bridge theory and practice, also known as MLOPS. Okay, this is a remnant of Star Trek. Okay, I don't know if you hopefully have seen Star Trek before, but here's a little remnant of Star Trek where Spock often reminds us that we need to balance logic and practicality. Okay, think of that, guys. Think of that. Cool. Um, Again, I love Star Trek. All right, so let's jump into what's called shadow AI. Okay, shadow AI is it's the rise of the shadow AI. So the rise of shadow AI refers to the use of AI tools within an organizations without IT approval. Okay, this trend emphasizes the need for government, also for a good framework for management. It's good for this phenomenon. So a lot of the governments are starting to use shadow AI as well. So just like in Jurassic Park, guys, and Ian Malcolm's words resonate here pretty well. Your scientists were so preoccupied with whether or not they didn't stop to think if they should. Okay, that reminds me, that's kind of another good movie you guys can watch. So it's kind of throwing a little bit of puns in there, but shadow AI is something that like I said again, military. A lot of people are using that. It's the use of it's just the organizations that are using it without you don't need IT approval for it. Um, so this is something to keep an eye out for, you guys. We'll dive deeper into this into shadow AI at a later time. So emergence of multimodal AI, multimodal AI models. Okay. So understanding context better. Okay. So this combined, which combines, data, like text, images, and video, is becoming more and more prevalent. You guys, this AI trend is coming fast and furious. Okay, you guys wait till ChatGPT 5 comes out. I mean, it's insane. So, it's creating the AI that understands the context better. So much like how Tony Stark said in Iron Man, remember? When he says, and he uses his AI to understand and interact with the world. So, think of this as Jarvis. So in the future, we're all going to be using Jarvis. So AI, ChatGPT, think of it as Jarvis. Okay, it's that's now this is ChatGPT 4, guys. Okay, I want you to understand that because 3 does not do this. It doesn't do any type of imaging or videos. Okay, that does. So ChatGPT 3 does not, but 4 does. The paid version. It's only $20, guys. It's not going to kill you. You know. So we need to keep an understanding of this as well. All right. So when it starts expanding its knowledge, it'll go ahead and dive deeper into text and make better images for us. Okay. So responsible AI. Okay. Growing focus on ethical development. This is something that's constantly coming about, constantly people are talking about it. Was AI ethical? Is ChatGPT ethical? Is ChatGPT 4 ethical? Okay. So as AI becomes more powerful, okay, there's a growing focus on ethical deployment, privacy, transparency, and bias. Okay. So this mirrors, okay, the cautionary tales like in Blade Runner. If you guys remember Blade Runner, where the line between human and machine ethics blurs, right? So a little backstory: when Chat OpenAI came out, ChatGPT OpenAI came out, um, you were able to ask it crazy stuff. Okay, I mean, you're to a point where it's like, how do you make a bee, a bomb? How do you do this? How do you do that? How do you, what banks you can do this and what banks can do that? So what happened was ChatGPT 3 went ahead and molded it better and started closing those doors down because of what? Ethical. They need to be ethical within what they're doing. Now, ChatGPT 4 went ahead and made that loop a lot closed that loop a lot more, and now 5 is going to close the loop even further. So ethics is a huge thing that they're looking at, a huge thing that ChatGPT is focused on as well, the creators of it. Okay, so just keep that in mind that ethics is going to play a huge part, okay, in that. So quantum computing with AI, this is huge, guys. Integration of quantum computing. So if you don't know what quantum computing is, go check it out. I'm not going to get into it. It's huge. It's a lot to get into. We'll dive deep into quantum computing at some other point in time. So the integration of quantum computing and AI is set to transform complex problem solving with machine learning. It's crazy. It's kind of like what Dr. Ian Malcolm said in Jurassic Park. Life finds a way, and so does technology. Well, AI is finding a way to assist in technology, guys. A lot of doctors are using this. A lot of scientists are using AI. ChatGPT is huge in that realm. So you know, you just got to get with the times, you guys. You guys, if you're afraid of it, then it's going to do more harm for you. Okay, we want you guys to embrace AI. We want you to embrace ChatGPT. Okay, um, think of it as back in the day. All you youngsters out there probably watching this don't understand, but us old geezers over here, when we're using a fax machine. I mean, are you kidding me? It was the big roller that it took forever to come out, and you'd have to rip it off the page, and it was on that transparent looking paper, kind of weird. Then we went to what? Paper and fax machines. Then no more fax machines. It went to email. Are you kidding me? Email came out. So you know think of it that way. AI is with us, you guys. No matter what, it's with us. Chat GPT is a huge part of that. Now, AI is such a broad spectrum. So why Jen and I developed coffee sometimes tea. Why did we come up with that? First of all, we love I love coffee. She loves coffee. We love tea. So we decided to bring a channel together, Coffee Sometimes Tea, where we discuss with other companies, other entrepreneurs, other small business owners on how to integrate ChatGPT and AI into their business so they can grow their customer base and grow more with more revenue. Okay. We have a lot of friends that are worried or scared, and they started, hey, you guys should start a channel about it since you guys know a lot about it. You guys use it all the time. Why don't you guys start a channel on it? And so that's what came about doing it. So let's do a little sidetrack there. Let's jump over. So responsible AI. All right. So growing focus on ethical, deployment. Okay. So my bad, wrong way. The new jobs for AI experts. Okay. Emerging career paths. So think of this. Okay, we'll read this and then we'll get into it. So with AI adoption, so as you adopt AI, a new career paths like AI ethicist and prompt engineer, they're all emerging. Okay, so ethicists, they're the ones that are paving the way for the ethical part of ChatGPT. Okay. Also, a lot of the engineers are merging with ChatGPT and AI. Okay, so this kind of reflects back. If you think about Star Wars, the idea of constantly evolving universe with the new roles and new challenges. So it's always developing, always coming about. So if you become the expert, right, in that field, that's possibly a new job for you. I guarantee, well, I'm not guaranteeing it, but I know that in the future, a lot of companies are going to be hiring AI experts, Chat GPT experts. They probably will name it something else. Chatbots. Those are going to be huge, guys. They're already huge. Okay. People are making gang full of money on those chatbots. Now, what's a chatbot? Good question. We're going to get into that in our school. So, also, if you guys do me a favor, since we're in this part of the video, if you guys could smash that like button for us, that'd be awesome. Thank you for following us. Hit that like button, smash it, follow us again, click on that alert so you know when we do a new post. Also, we're going to be starting a new community. It's called School. It's a free community where we're going to dive deeper into a lot of these AI uh, gadgets, also diving deeper into ChatGPT, building bots, all that kind of stuff. Okay. The link's down below. Go ahead and join. And then let's jump right back in, guys. So the digital twins, okay, lifelike AI replicas. So the development of digital twins or lifelike AI replicas is growing, okay, promising new experiences in virtual interaction. Much like the droids in Star Wars, okay, that are more than just machines. R2D2, C3PO. I mean, think about it. Darth Vader was half human and half machine, guys. So that's, and I'm referencing Star Wars. I know I love Star Wars, but that's how development is coming along. Okay, AI is really jumping on board with all this. And they're pushing these lifelike replicas as well. So the excuse me, the AIs that are mimicking dogs, soldiers, that kind of stuff. So stay tuned for that because we'll be diving deeper into that as well. So let's jump into deep learning and human-like intelligence. So advancements in deep learning. Okay, so the advancements in deep learning are bringing us closer to AI that mimics human intelligence. Okay, this part kind of reminds me of Ex Machina, where AI blurs the line between human and machine. Um, that's a great movie, by the way. It's called Ex Machina. Check it out. Take a look at that movie. It's pretty cool, actually. Also, another movie that we'll reference here is, is The Matrix again. You guys, another type of AI back in the day before AI became big. Again, so the deep learning, it's starting to learn a lot deeper. It's getting, it's focusing a lot more. It's understanding us the way we are more. So let it. Let it understand you. Okay. You know, teach it, and learn from it. It's going to be a huge, huge, huge positive run. I promise you guys. AI is nothing to be afraid of. I'm gonna tell you that right now. Do not be afraid of it, guys. Okay. So AI wearables and no code or low code platforms. You know, the rise of AI infused wearable technology and the continued momentum of a no code, low code platform. Okay. Um, this is something that AI is making more accessible. Okay. The trend also resonates like when Tony Stark, you know, in Iron Man, where you know technology becomes an integrated part of life, to where you know he's you know taking it and throwing it up on the computer, taking it and throwing it up over here. Jarvis, do this. Jarvis, do that. Get me this. Get me that. So think of ChatGPT as a wearable. Okay, you can have it on your phone now. You can talk into your you know Siri. Siri is um, a part of AI. Okay, it's a chatbot that was developed. So don't be afraid of it, you guys. Embrace it. Again, that's why Jen and I developed this channel so we can show you guys how not to be afraid of AI and how not to be afraid of ChatGPT. We want you guys to embrace it. Okay. Um, Now the limitless possibilities of AI. So remember, as you present these as we present these trends to you guys, okay, we want to channel your inner Morpheus from the Matrix. Okay, so I can only show you the door. You're the one that has to walk through it. Okay. So use these trends to inspire your audience, guys. Okay. To explore the limitations and possibilities of AI. Again, use it to your advantage. Don't be afraid of it. Ask us questions. That's what we're here for. Ask us questions in the chat. Come into our school. Ask us questions about it. We'd love to dive deeper into there and explore some more with you guys. Okay. Again, don't be afraid of it. Embrace it, and everything will be fine. Again, I want to say thank you for joining us. Thank you for hanging out. Please smash that like button and come join us in our free school app. Have a good night, guys. We'll chat to you soon. Cheers.